Hello everyone, let's start with the first problem, which is reverse the array. So let's click on this link. So after clicking that link, we are redirected to this page, which is a Gigs for Gigs page, where they are asking to write a program to reverse an array or string. Array and string are treated same here because a string can be considered as an array of characters, so the algorithm will be same. Now if you will look at here, it is saying that this is recommended, which is to solve it on practice first. So let's click on this link. So after clicking on that link, we are redirected to this page where it is asking to reverse a string. So if you read the question, if the question is saying that you are given a string s, you need to reverse the string. Input is given gigs and output is SKEEG, and if s is FOR4, then the output is ROF. So as you can see, so this is the input string that was given in the first sample, and this is the output string. So as a layman, when you are asked to reverse this string, what you will do, you will first select this character and this character, and then you will swap these two characters. So you will move these two here and these two here, right? And then you will get the position of these two characters in the reverse string, which is the first character will be S and the second character will be G. Similarly, for this character, what you will do is you will select this character, this E and this K, and then you will swap these two, right? Then this K will come here and this E will go there. So you got the position of K in reverse string and position of E in the reverse string. And for the middle character, you don't need to do anything because in the reverse string the middle character will remain in the same position, right? So this is the case when the string length is odd. If the string length is even, if this middle character is not present, then you don't need to do anything with the then also you don't need to do anything with the middle character. If you want to convert this algorithm that a layman will do into a code, what you have to do is take two pointers. One is pointer 1, let's say this is P1, and another one is pointer 2. Right? Pointer 1 indicates the character from the beginning of the string, and pointer 2 indicates the character from the ending of the string. Those two characters have to be swapped to reverse the string. For example, here let's say P1 is 0 and P2 is 4. So 0 indicates this character and 4 indicates this character. So what you have to do is you have to swap these two characters as I said earlier, and then you have to move P1 from G to the next character, which is E. So for that you have to do P1 plus plus, and you have to move P2 for the which is indicating to S now to the next character, which is K. So you have to do P2 minus minus. This you have to do after swapping these two characters, and then again you have to swap this P1 and P2, or means these two characters, and you have to do this until the P1 reaches to the middle of the string, or you can say until P1 is less than P2. You can swap these two, the two characters pointed by P1 and P2, and it will reverse the string. So let's write the code for it. So let's first take two pointers. One is P1, which is indicating the start, and one is P2, which is indicating the end of the string. Now we will run a loop while P1 is less than P2. What we will do is we will swap those two characters. So let's say character C1 is equal to str of P1 and character C2 is str of P2, right? And we have to swap these two characters. So str of P2 will become C1 and str of P1 will now become C2, and we have to change the pointers to the next position, and this is it. We can simply return the string now. So let's compile and run. So as you can see that for this input gigs we got the correct output. So let's submit this. So as you can see that it is submitted now. Now let's discuss the time complexity and space complexity of this algorithm. If you see here that we have two pointers P1 and P2, and this pointer is traversing through the length of the string. So if the string length is considered as order of n, then the time complexity will be order of n. Complexity will be order of n, where n is the length of string. And for the space, we are taking only constant space. We have taken two integers p1 p2 and two characters c1 c2. So as we have taken constant space, so the space complexity will be order of 1.